Todo ona tha iria maraugire 7:35 ona hau hena poto
7:35 icio mogire hurukire.
You see, everything they do is calculated. Reure with numerology arafu guy araya na numbers. That is why it's so good for you to know about numbers. Ushoke umenye astrology so that you can know when the stars na asteroid zina align. So that you can know what is coming. Like kitu ikiibo inaibiwangwa juu. TV. Ona mundu akiamba gukuari akwa kuite kuria iguru 45 days niguo kiakwe guku.
Mundu ba gukua mbere?
45 days. Ru wina maitho ma kiroho no wone. If it's a genuine death, it's okay, wezi reverse. But kama ni ya kuwekelewa, you can reverse it for the person.
Abetike karo. Nyora uwe maudu makamaki. Mundu atana kuwa aba kumenya 40 ako akuite
45 days kure iguru.
Spiritual realm, yeah. Naru wiko tugene gikugia wikiririo ri. Ungemenya ate?
Wina spiritual eyes kana ears na kana wirwo ni voice. No wirwo.
Nukuire.
Mundu ri ni agukua. 45 ciathira. No gikukia ya kereti genuine. Ni gikukia kuigiriro. If you have the power to reverse, you can reverse it.
Itheka muno mureri witu gunyitoke ni muthenya wa umuthi. It's a beautiful day. Toroke mweko studio ni cia Muhewa Maige Media. Karibu sana, tukwendete muno. Thengi ni undu wa guthie na mbere gutunyitirira. Andu rothe mukoretwo mugitembea na ithui from gikiro kimwe ginya kiria kingi, from one glory to the other. Ni tukwenda kumucokeria ngatho na tumwire ati inyue ni inyue ituge cia channel ya Muhewa Maige Media, na ni tukenaga hindi mugutunyitirira. Tuthie na mbere subscribe, tuthie na mbere share channel, tuthie na mbere ona ukorwo tukijoin channel nigetha tukorwo tugitwarana twi hamwe. Muthenya wa umuthi turi na mugeni na netugenagira guku na mukoretwo mukinjuria kai ureire ku, na ndakiuga ni ngumwetha na ndakimwetha tukire nake studio na ndiguteanga mahinda. Ni tukugeithio ni Caroline mwarimu witu wa maundu maingi Cosmos. Yes. Tugeithie Caro, habari?
Habari. Mwiroreri wa Muhia TV ni ndakena muno. At least muje ndekinyia
nego
ago muri salama
ithu twi thayo
na ndakena kuona Muhia. He's now smiling.
Yes,
I'm so happy.
Thank you.
Nituranitwo muno Caro, urire ku?
Ni ngoragwo kirima. But sai ni go around for few days.
Wiria. Riu kuria kirima-ini ri kurathia atia?
Kuni kwega. Things are going well.
Eno ndo hana mundu muthukite kirima.
Do Nairobi no ginya jikare mu city.
Ndagika mu city.
Yeah.
When you go to Rome you stay like romance.
Like romance.
Kuria kirima-ini ku ni ate urekaga?
Kwi maundu maingi twikaga. Tukorwo tutumitwo. Yeah.
Ni mahoya
mahoya plus vitu mwingi
ni sacrifice.
Ithu tutia magongona. Sisi atuja pika huko icio ni cia mukui modo.
Mukui modo. Ndunye ni kuhoya intercessors.
Yes.
Na ukoja ni cia ngoma.
Yeah.
Taru tondu Caro ni juni koragwo hingukite maitho. Guku no atakuna ni cia ngoma guku studio itu.
Okay, the vibration is now smooth. Rira dari ku the last time re. Niguo vibration were down.
Ciarithi. This ni
they are ziko sawa zinapika.
Wow, nice. Rudi tukwambiria tafarira itu. Karibu sana.
Thanks.
Na ni ndirakiona show ino twari nayo ciuria gutikiagaga. Ndikwenda kwamba ku dive ciuria-ini tutaigirite uhoro-ini wa umuthi. Niguririkana ni turitie uhoro wa 30th April na tukiaria uhoro wa mweri wa April kwa we important. Ndio haria turi riu tutware Caro uria tutwaraga. Okay,
riu 30th April no igukoro the last day ya Kenyans to suffer.
Muthenya wa mwisho wa gusafa.
Turathiaga 31 months of suffering. Igathirira hau mweri
30th of April.
Yes.
Ginyare matari besa ni mekuge.
Okay. You know, everything happens in the spiritual realm before it happens in the physical.
In the physical.
So no ginya tuhe time. Nigo tuabirie kuona ito shike manifest. But now things will start happening because not ito jagashi tukabia guka. Ni the collapse of the system. Ugo pole pole.
System yako tukihinyereria tu.
Okay. So the age is imemalizika. Plus Kenyans, we have finished our 31 months of suffering.
Okay.
koguo ndiguka tu ati abrupt, you have to give it time, baby steps.
Wow.
Alafu oguo twathie from June, I think economy ni kwagira, plus something good will happen.
Okay. Maundu mega mejira.
Yeah, maundu mega mejira.
Wow. So why 30th April?
Oguo niguo Ngai ugite, because before any elevation, you talk of the law of relativity, the spiritual laws ida gwiraga cha universe. Before you are elevated, you have to pass through some tests. Like now you are going through a spiritual awakening. Yeah. Nikiora wena maneno huku kila mahali.
Maundu maingi uguo.
Because your elevation days are near.
Okay.
Na riu ngimenya uguo ri nigutia ku victimhood mentality wo ye. Yeah.
Ndige utidage kate.
Yes, you trust the process. So Ngai mwenyewe neugire your elevation time imefika na nikakwambia dia kwirire.
No ajirire.
So you have to be tested, the law of relativity. So you go with the flow. Ni todo abirija we sabotage on a blessing ni hikura. Because you sabotage ourselves with our mind.
Okay. Koguo thimire maundu uguo.
We thimira maundu uguo na ukanyagia hizo story.
Oguo jikaire.
Yeah.
Wow.
Zitaisha kila kitu ita align. Just vile Kenyans tunafaa. We work on ourselves. We know ourselves, we raise our frequencies so that uthamaki ndukaiwo.
Nego.
Tondu 20th uratigeti hani.
Ni uranda kuyu.
Eni.
No.
Eni moroma, edi mwira moroma ndio koragwo ahithite kiria information na noe wathukirie Bible. Niwe watumire andu makome toro. Na muroma ri ni akora atumagira astrology na numerology na cosmology. Agicoka giuka kimwira astrology na numerology ni evil.
Ni njuru.
No ni cio atumagira. Ni amenyaga maundu kamwira mekikite. Bere. Tondu athia kila every pope, every president anakuanga na astrologer wake.
Ginya witu.
Eni. Riu munyu mukahenio ndage tondu we menya guti kindu kiagata kwimenya.
Kwimenya, yes.
Yes. Through mugia code neuroi uhoro wa law of relativity ri. Maina wa utisia ra kwinainirie. Urahie no gira inainire.
Asa.
Yes, because why inainire because you don't know how the system works.
Okay. Hey.
Yes.
Wow.
Ugimenya hakuna kitu mzuri sana kama kujijua.
Kama kujijua.
Yes. Na nikio matendaga andu mamenye. Tondu Yeshua yuka teachings cia Yeshua ri okire gutufundithia twimenye. Na nikio macitarurire magicina na magicihitha imwe Vatican basement. Tondu ni mamenyire andu a memenya atuteza kwa control.
Nimegukira.
Na marenda muikare mwitoro. Yes.
Ru uthamakire. Urageragia kuyona njira iriku?
Ru edi kwiraga popo ni akwire. February end.
Nwajirire.
Ndakwirire.
Na ngigo ni kwenda ukuria proof ngicoka ngiuga.
Ruri always mundu prominent agikua ri na hena undu marenda gwika ri they usually hide the person makarehe clone. Inyu muronaga ati pope nera dute mitha. That is not the real pope, that was a clone. Tiwe
ona waruta mitha hinde ya Easter
ni ungi ni mundu marathondekete. Tondu he poto irahiguka 21st April he a very powerful gateway poto irahigukaga because 21st April 2025 is the 111th day of the year. Now 111 in numerology is a very powerful number. Na niho a very big poto ya endings and new beginnings ikorago.
Mwisho na kiambiriria 111th day.
Yes.
Ya mwako irokire ri. Ya mwako 111th day irokire.
21st April.
21st April. Ndio popo ahuruka.
Hau niho mauga ahuruka.
Niho maugira ahuruka.
Na ndio nikio tumiraga mwimenja tondu andu ara mura deal now they are very awakened. Na inyumo na nikio ndo mayago blessings Africans because of your sleeping state. Ruwa ari maramenyaga 111th day a portal will open. Yeah, endings and new beginnings. Na nikio maikaririe pope niguo mauge ni akua 21st they kwina that big gateway ya 111. Niguo mahote tondu ni maramenya kwina uthamaki uroka ri mahote ku exchange.
Okay. Ku exchange ke karo.
My exchange uthamaki uroka witu the golden age. They want to extend their Kali Yoga. But you know, but now the best thing young people are so awakened. They turamenyire ura mareka.
Andu mokirete muno.
And we return whatever they want to do.
Nimuracokiri.
Eni. That is why we are preaching to you, know thyself. Ruko turare toroithuore the. Ndito ngeyo golden age tutahana mathina. Iratika ritihani wethie.
Tugimenya atende matina tuka success.
We can see in the spirit and whatever we were told to do to raise our vibrations that night we did it. Na matia hotire. Their every move is calculated.
Yeah.
Either in numerology or in astrology or in cosmology. Maratumira higher knowledge, the hidden knowledge.
Okay.
Na hidden knowledge yari our ancestors adoka fiu. No knowledge to maratumira. Na do to doni ma meire. Our people are asleep.
Yes.
But God is faithful. Niakinyo to kiriria do amuidwi.
We. So date 21st year is that important?
Very, very important. Hata sijui nikwambia nini. This is the best day of the year.
Na tutimenyaga.
Mwakerirwo astrology na numerology ni shaitani.
Ruwe thodo murata wakwa Karoli. Wagire kuhurira ujire muri twedu anu heno undu niki.
Mimu here I was confused. I was confused.
Gejirite nigetha riri. Na ningemenya riu kwina shift. Menye
we shift yaku ri
endings na starting.
Kireke ngikwira kwina engi 28th April. Kwina new beginning igi. Although sio strong kama hii but kunayo.
28th April.
At least for an individual it's okay. No area ya universe ya one.
Ya the other.
But ya 28th ni ya individuals. How you can do whatever you want and
succeed. Gwikate muthenya ucio.
Dukageria kwaja kurakara. Dukageria kurwa your vibrations. Tondu how niho tunyitagirwo. Because our negative energy is their food. Yes.
Wow. Riu gucokia thutha. Shwere wanjirire baba mutheru ni ahurukire. Na ya kere ya mwisho fiu ukinjira mundu ucio turona
Nicolon.
Allegedly. Arafu ni ndonete video ciake cia mithenya ino ya mwisho. Kwĩcio mataranagia the front side, makonania the back side. Why would they push ginya mweri 21?
Because of this gate.
You know, 111.
Yes, now with that kind of psychology, it's a mind game. Everything is mind game.
Ni mithako ya meciria.
That is why now we say, if you want to understand the secret of the universe, think in terms of energy, vibrations, and frequencies. We are more imundo. Africans know matter in here to try to get But now the good thing, our generation, we are very awake.
Yeah.
Nikio ona magigeria gwikodu. Now we are becoming a threat to them.
Okay.
Yeah.
Tumenyire maundu.
Tumenyire maundu maingi muno tutafatire kumenya.
Taruge tirifo kiu ri. Ejugo keri horo wa numerology. Itirifo ruge keke tutariria into details. Kana ninguni kana hindo egi ukijira ruto wapishirwo mathaa fulani, muthenya fulani. Kihinde-ini giki riu kuragire no horo na nginya horo wa popure. Are there any numbers maundu maraingiranire nacio?
Okay, haria tugira tirire bauri ni ha 21st. But at least we were able to overturn it.
Okay.
Todo ona thaire maraugire 7:35. Ona hau hena poto.
7:35 icio mugire hurukire.
You see, everything they do is calculated. Reure. With numerology, arafu gai arayena na numbers. That is why it's so good for you to know about numbers. Ushoke umenye astrology so that you can know when the stars na asteroid zina align. So that you can know what is coming.
Yes.
Ruhari 7:35 re. What you do is 7 plus 3 plus 5.
7 plus 3, that is 10, 15.
15. 15, you have to break it down to universal number. Todo gekoyoine na universal numbers, we only have 1 to 9. Nikyo agekumuga keda muihuru. We don't have a 10. Now we break it down to 1 plus 5 equals 6. 6 is the number of man. Man is the beast. No narura mafagite. They take the gates of the new earth 11:11. Then they bring the beast. Modo. Tihabiga modo. Then marugire pupa rakwira na miaka 88. 8 is a very powerful number in spirituality. Ni kora etako infinite number.
8.
Na is very powerful.
Nakarolika infinite gako
kahana 80. Nerure Pope ara na 88. That is double power.
Okay. Oh.
No na riu kuia kwao kurari very easy. Tondu kone generation ya our parents ini ingeenda
matigira menyire kindu
ingeenda. But now the moment magera ya kuiwa, God talked to us and he told us what they are doing.
Okay. Why is number 8 so powerful?
It's because it's infinite. Infinite ni kuga kure iguru.
Kure iguru fi.
Now you know everything starts in the spiritual realm, then it comes to the physical.
Karo, weterere gakurenga. Toni nyenda kunyita. Tatutarire kuma na be mweginya kenda, ututaririe na meaning cia namba icio.
Ruri na digiga ciothe kiogori.
Kana irio kuhota.
Kitu hapa.
O iria tu kuhota.
Ona ningoragwo nacio handu.
Tataru itidanyitithania ri. No ajiro horo wa niyo the highest. Andu ametaga occult ri. Occult.
Okati.
Yes.
Okati. Matumagira ici.
Mahuthagira inyanya. Namba inyanya no ituika associated na mitino. Mweri wa kana niyo igwaga sacrifices. That is why I'm asking.
You know, easy number, they have positive sides and negative sides.
Okay.
No, it's how you will use it.
Wow.
Now, the problem is, if you have as we use it negatively.
Because you use negatively.
You know, number 13, Torawakaga, the negative part of number 13. But from 1st April, now we are working out the positive part of number 13.
Which is?
Maudomega, new beginnings. We are okurehe uthamaki. Okay, wajira gutaririe uhoro numbers. Okay, now we have 111. They are either 3 11s or 4 11s, but they mean the same.
Okay.
They mean new beginnings, focus and faith. So whenever you see new 11 either kwa watch ukitembea, know something is coming.
11.
Either 3 11s or 4 11s.
Or 4 11s. Kama nyedo ukite.
Kayo dukite. 2 means support and guidance and unity. 3 means creativity, inspiration. There wono akonurera kwabirira business jerori. Ushoke utide ukiona 3 no, your business will prosper.
Okay.
Yeah.
Oh,
yeah, because in your creativity.
Okay.
Now 4 near stability and protection. Yeah, that is where the way you are going through your spiritual awakening.
Yeah.
1 you know that God will balance you. Na he umeprotectiwa.
Okay.
So watch a stress.
Wow.
Yes. 5 means change and opportunities. Like now we are seeing a lot of 5.
Yes.
Because there is a change coming.
Okay. No corner opportunities.
Yes. 6 is the number of man. Also is the number of balance and family love.
Family love?
Yes.
And they say 6 is evil.
It's because you can either use it negatively or positively. Yeah. Now the beast system, they use these numbers negatively, but us we are supposed to use them positively. But we don't know. Now they use them positively and negatively.
Okay.
No idu tutamenya na kurathi.
Idu tutamenya positively ni ate.
Tuko tu.
Tuko 6 ni namba.
Yeah. But number 6, if you know how to use it, is a very good number.
7 completion.
7 completion, spiritual awakening, growth and intellect. 8 infinity, prosperity and success.
Okay.
9 completion endings. Like now the year 2025 is a number 9. Pale shida zinaisha.
Why is it number 9?
5 plus 0 plus 5. 2 plus 0 plus 2 plus 5.
Oh, 2025 roka keda.
Roka keda.
Completion.
Yeah, completion endings.
Ugo ni kirikiriro. Kia undu ucio urareho.
Kia Kali-yoga.
Kali-yoga ni irathira. Maundu ma menyagira kuka.
Ndakwirire muhia ni onawe the way you are going through your spiritual awakening. Ni ukwabiria ku download maundu.
It's not a coincidence. Stigigira na ciothe. Kone coincidence stigigira na ciothe.
It's because tuko awakened. That's why tunajua hizi vitu.
Okay.
Na ndio maana tunaambia watu we wake up because I'm telling you here, if we are all asleep, golden age.
Yeah.
Girathire tungeanza 0. Because their nini timing was so calculated.
Tareke gori. Stars na horoscopes. Deutani de Aquarius. ta murutani wa kwĩria cire nĩ namba irĩkũ cigĩko cianĩra kĩharĩni
analaki hiyo sasa labda niangalie na nikufanyie birth chart.
Okay.
Because we don't, you know, you are telling me about your sun sign. You are a sun sign, but we don't deal with sun signs. We deal with ascendant and your moon sign. Hicho nicho kusema.
Ascendant ne?
Ascendant re. You know, I told you, your soul wrote soul contracts before you came. Now your ascendant works hand in hand with your soul contracts and your soul.
Okay.
Nikiru tuathoma anything with your ascendant, tutajua kila kitu yako. Todo irawak na soul, na igotwira soul contracts yaku. Haria breakthrough ikoka, itasema kila kitu. But your sun sign, itatupoteza.
Itatupoteza.
But now the wakoloni told you to be using sun sign. Ni mumure. Ni karata mwathakiro.
Ture pio.
Mure pio. All this information we are giving you, shio irokure ancestors aitu akafiru. Guess shatwarirwo ku basement ya Vatican. Ni kuire hithitwo. Nagetha mutikanokire.
Tutikanamenye.
Yes. But no, God is good. Nyaraturehera information in the dreams, in the visions. Nikio murona turoka kumufundithia.
Wow. Tatwire horo wa riri. Uhoro wa now. This 21st connected with 111. 111 inamaanisha portals.
Yes.
Alafu ndagire uconnect na uthamaki wa thayo if there is any correlation.
Yes. Akiri uthamaki uraiagwo.
Okay.
Si unaona once umesikia gateway na portal. Umenya hau ni exchange of destiny. Once umesikia gateway na portal umenya hau automatically ni kiria ni destiny raiyo.
Ni raiagwo.
Yeah, then you umesikia 8. 8 ni nini? Infinity. Kule juu. Kila kitu ikiibo inaibiwangwa juu. TV. Ona mundu akiamba gukuari akwakuite kuria iguru 45 days niguo kiakue guku
mundu ba gukua mbere
45 days uru we na maitho ma kiroho no wone if it's a genuine death it's okay, wezi reverse but kama ni ya kuwekelewa you can reverse it for the person
abethike karo nyora ugo maundu makamaki mundu atana ku aba kumenya 40 akwa akuite
45 days kure iguru spiritual realm
na ruo giko tuge ni gikugia wikiririo ri ungimenya ate
wina spiritual eyes kana ears na kana wirwo ni voice no wirwo
nukuire
mundu ri ni agukua 45 ciathira no gikukia ya kereti genuine ni gikukia kuigirirwo if you have the power to reverse you can reverse it yes
how do you reverse it
you just use your mouth
ukaugashuko
plus if you are vibrating high hakuna kitu wezi fanya this is the reason why we are using sound healing so that we can vibrate high always
to vibrate high
todo if you are vibrating high it's very easy for you to turn things around but if you are vibrating low nona vibration yako low eyo niyo kadwa kalioga magutumira gukuhura
vibrate low
magutumira vibration yako gukuhura but if you are vibrating high matikotana nawe that is why tramwira everything is energy and energy is everything
how hage kuone hamakia tondu riuri ugikugia guikiririo no umenye no reverse
no reverse no gicokerie mwene but you have to be vibrating
back
high
to sender
if you are vibrating low no getido kiuga hau aita rudi
to vibrate at high apart from sound healing
okay it's very hard to vibrate without using anything tondu mathina guku thini maingi
Reke ngori mundu ro nyuga gabangi kana njohi uceko ge vibrate tondu mundu afangi ikara gakenete ucire go vibrate high
apana hiyo si vibration hiyo iko low
na hallucination
hiyo ni ciake hallucination ciake majamba make
ugo ndufati ati nyue ati kana njohi kana nigetha vibrate high
no can either you meditate or you use sound healing
okay
but me I find sound healing easy ni dikona tha cia ku meditate dikona tha cia wikarathi
we uturago vibrate ga high karo itugatuonia maundu tuthie na mbere ndona we no horo muingi muno
ruri okay nona number 8 is ruled by planet Saturn and Saturn rules kama anytime ndondora thiko shiniro kirari about the uthamaki na ndakwira number 8 is ruled by Saturn the karma, planet na Saturn yenyewe ina rule kama anytime uthamaki urokira ku
uthamaki
wathayo
tacokera ringi kiuria
Number 8 ina mean infinite. Na alafu number 8 is ruled by Saturn, the planet. And Saturn, the planet, rules karma and time. Uthamaki wa thao rokira
Nidora. No gunyita.
Time. The timing is very right.
Okay.
Ya uthamaki wa thao.
Time ni uthamaki. Alafu infinite ni kugo
na kama ri uthamaki wa thao roka kuni na kama sisi tu. That is why goti gukoro mundu murwaru ki.
Mauru mothe.
Yes. Sasa unaona ici nicio irendaga uthamaki wa kwihanda ri. Tuguturana makama maitu atutaienda mahali.
Okay.
You see, everything is calculated.
Yes.
Hakuna coincidence hapa. Everything is so calculated. Nikiona nyinyi mfuatalia kuimenya. So you can be doing things. Una calculate it. Ugakorwo ibere masa.
Riu tondu matinahota kuiyo thamaki ri. Hihi ni mekugeria ringi.
Riu na magigereria ri. Haria magigereria ri. Niho hauma hapo 21st ndio ilikuwa ile mbaya.
Imageterera next year.
Next day kwa mbali.
Ni uko wehanda.
Ni uko wehanda.
Okay. Okay.
I think we are okay. If we raise our, in fact, ona tugire his vibration ito rocio muthamaki no umire. Sisi ndio tunamdelay. Yes.
Turi otoro. Na ndo makegeria to ikara toro. Marage tutindikirio ikara toro.
Riu nikio turamura, you become a knowledge seeker.
Yeah.
Or seek knowledge. Because knowledge is power and the truth will always set you free. At least ono kone hanini re raise vibration yaku.
Wow.
Todo umbuyo raise vibration yaku na raise yakwa. At least we raise quite a number.
Yeah.
Ona shoshore witu yegisha gitore kinya thimbu ni tukota kumuvu nake uthamakini. No kuri andu maukoro mari so much into kama acio magatigo kalioga. Muthamaki oka deal now because they are so much into kama. Kuri andu matagathi at all. They will have to take another rebirth. Maciaro ringi moke.
Okay. Taru inyuire. Mureto new age. Mureto new agers.
No.
Okay, do na information no gra comment nyingire adogimero this is new age deception, this is new age.
It's because they are asleep.
New age ni riko
new age tu ne adwa elites. You know ya new world order. Hivi information ino turamuheri ni information ya riko billions and billions of years ya ekoratwo ku ne kuhithwo. Niko mura tare something new. It's not new.
Okay.
Our ancestors possessed this information. Eyoka kiyo egitwara Vatican basement. Niyo mahuthagira.
Okay.
That's why they are always ahead of their time. They are always controlling you. Todo mutamenyo ya kurathi mwitoro. Yeah.
Hega tunigeta go Simpsons.
Symptom katomagira.
Na nega predictaga.
Yes.
Na gukahanika.
Niyo nakakira kiugete pope ni yakukua. Kana semanga kila kitu.
Na nikarauga Trump ni yakukua.
Yeah, but we are Trump tunajaribu ku reverse. Todo Trump arora ko ni beast. Todo Trump mari ruta kavira na habinga. Na ru agikoro Trump ndari this idea beast re beast atakuwa peke yake.
Okay.
Yeah. So lazima wajaribu kumeliminate. But I don't think they will toboa. We are trying so hard to preserve him until the king comes.
Trump ni mafagite.
Mafagite. Ona yafagirwo tene before elections.
Gatuni kada ti coincidence.
Katuni gaka gatumagira numerology, astrology na cosmology. Niyo dirambura you people you should wake up. Because nuna astrology na numerology is zote they are older than religion than even the Bible.
We nitroni migumwera guire guku Kenya.
Migumwera ugire uthamaki ni wathira.
Mutogore wa Florina yake na guku China.
Ni ndio na news.
China.
Dioi. You na news, me don't watch news. Ida negative energy hakuna.
Lero nyona toko na acha cio ciuria ciothe reke ndĩrori.
Ni dikagiria news.
Karo avokude tumai. Ndari kana producer hena biru itarehete. Kuna kambuni ya murata witu ikoretwo gitũrĩria mĩgũnda kũrĩa mwena wa coast. Na to coast tu nĩ kũndũ kũingĩ. Nĩ tũkũrehera broti cia kũrĩa Konza. Tũkũrehera mĩgũnda ĩkũrĩa mwena wa Malindi kuria Diani tugukurehera no kahindi ne gaka twambite concentrate na kuria mwena wa Kikambala kuria Kilifi County brought ishi cie 30 to 40 minute drive kuma Mombasa CBD 10 minutes drive kuma taunini ya Mtwapa na kundu kuria ni kilomita 2 kuma Mombasa Malindi highway. Gusorore perspective Mombasa Malindi highway irakwota Thika road ni moni ria Thika road yakwo kwahingukire uguo niguo kuria guko gukihana barabara yo yarikia gukorwo ikirika gwakwo. Andu makurigicĩirie ni hoteli cia kifahari ta Sun and Sand Hotel, kwina estate nene muno hau itagwo Sultan Palace, na kuma mugunda-ini witu guthie Sultan Palace ni ndagika 4 ugithie na maguru. Ni ndirakena tondu ni turathie na mbere ukorwo tukendia mugunda uyu Ngai ni tuonekanire, ona ko ni kurai na hiccups kidogo, no thaici ni turathie wega. Na no wega njire mwirori witu ati title ya mugunda uyu ni ndimionete na ngamiona no wega onayo tanagura ri ukambogetia title, tondu thiku ici maundu ma gwika search ni mahuthire. Ni kindu ngika online wike search one mwene na title ino ya Pecheta, ona mwene ugukorwo hihi ukimenya ati mugunda ni mawikuo, ucoke utanagura ri tuma mundu wanyu kana utume mundu ungi trust, kana ona ndie cia kumwikira hindi mwe live kuma tauni-ini ya Mombatha nginya mugunda-ini, nigetha ukorwo hihi ukia certain ati nima kindu iki ndiragura kihana uguo muhia marandariria. Kundu kuri ni kundu kwega muno, ona kwi murata witu kuma kure Germany uragurire froti 2 muthenya wa iyo, na imwe ndakwirendio ciringi milioni 3, na broti 2 no hota ukorwo giaka nginya flat ciaku, no hota ukorwo nginya ugiaka BNB, na kuria mathogora to ni thiete kuo cirarage kuma 20,000 to around 70,000 a night. Ugikona kanyumba kamwe na kirehe 20,000, kanyumba kamwe 20,000 mweri ni ukoga kurehia ciringi ngiri ikaitha furia 20,000 na thiko 30, that is 200,000 by 3, icio ni 600,000. Kundu kuria uguo ni kundu unge invest na property ino ni rathie wega fiu na ni bukitwo muno, uguo tengera nigetha ukorwo ukigwatira. Ici nicio twitaga golden project na ni irathie wega. Aikorwo hi nduonete ri tareke nyambe nguonie kuria nigetha unyite uguo ndirakwira kuhana.
Gwa kahinda karaya andu aitu mangiendire kugura migunda maguraga Kiambu, Machakos, Nakuru, Murang'a na kuria kungi. Undu ucio ni ucenjetie riu tondu kambuni ya Pecheta Properties ni yukite nega kurora we urenda kuigithia mwena wa gicua-ini. Broti iria ihutitie Indian Ocean mwena wa North Coast, broti ungiaka mucii wa guikara, hoteli, Airbnb ona kana weterere ukendia na thogora wa iguru makiria. Pecheta Properties riu makureheire Sultan Gardens Kikambala, kaunti-ini ya Kilifi, kilomita 2 tu kuma Mombasa Malindi Highway na kilomita 10 kuma tauni-ini ya Mtwapa. Ta imagine wena deposit ya ngiri 300,000 no wigwatire broti guku irigainie na estate ya Sultan Palace, Sun and Sand Hotel na mahoteli manene mena gatu. Broti ici irendio thogora mubashirire wa 3 million na andu 10 mbere kugura mekwenderio na 2.9 million. Hura thimu waranirie na Madam Phyllis kuhitokira 0725 342 987. Pecheta Properties, unlock the door to your dreamland.
Riu murori tuma commercial break ya Pecheta Properties Limited, hurira Madam Phyllis na wamuhurira ni ukorwo hihi ekuhe information makiria ona title teo ni ukorwo egutumira nigetha wike search, na ni njui ni muko mugitwarana wega. Deposit ni ciringi 300,000 ugacoka balance ukariha na mieri 5. Turenda kuingira gicunje gia keri na Carolina, na ndone na kindu anyitite haha, na kindu giki kiratigirwo guku ni fatha wa iguru. Ngwiciria gitigana ni kuramenyekanaga no tukahuthira. Riu ri tuthi na mbere Karo.
Okay. Ngwiciria riu ni morona director inonekana?
Ni kuoneka.
Okay, eno ni Vatican. Riu the hidden knowledge iria our ancestors yokire kihithwo guku. Guku ni basement. Guku ni basement. Guku ni ku hidden knowledge iri. Nyamu citagwo vault. Na itiguragwo. Ciguragwo no only specific people.
Ni mahinguraga. We? Ugu kuna information nyingi muno.
Nyingi muno. No nona hithitwo ri konga indo kire kwaria na andu ri tungiatura twitoro
ungenda huthira andu ta inyui.
But because of the golden age no nginya agiokiririe andu ria matumitwo moke the light workers, the 144 no nginya agiatukiririe na tu feed information iyo. Tondu riu ino ni yake ithiro tutingimiona,
tutingimenya. We would never have known.
Yes. Na hau riu uguo niguo riu uthamaki ungiathie. Oria wathire ria mbere ni ngati. Uguo no wengiathie ungiathie. Tondu ona hahari magira huthiririo ngati. Because first of all you still in the spiritual realm.
Okay.
Ni wuru methe ngati moke maye
Oh, so you can see in the physical. Okay.
Na gati no andu anyu a Kenya. Yeah. Look at the one importance.
Yeah.
21st April 2025. Apart from it being 111th day.
Yeah.
Ogitara 21st na 4 April na 2025.
Yeah.
Show the Chiroka 16.
Ogitara 21st? 21st 4 April.
Yeah. Na 2025. You're the Eroka 16.
Na baisho gishitara.
Chiroka 16. Then you have to break it down to universal number. 1 plus 6 equals 7. 7 is a complete number.
Yes.
Now, hahari uniho detwere. 7 means creation and rest. Uthamaki wa thayo roka weka atia?
Uthamaki wa thayo roka kwageria maundu.
Exactly. Kurehe creation ni weru, kweruhia maundu na rest, to rest. Okay. Number 7 is connected with God. Also, number 7 is connected with the 7 days of the week.
Okay.
Plus the Sabbath day.
Yes.
Where we will rest from poverty, from sickness. Yes. No, everything in a revolve new beginnings.
Yeah.
Number 7 means completeness and perfection. Number 7 means 7-fold blessings, 7-fold curses.
Yeah.
Yeah. Na habiga roka weka atia? To reward the righteous.
Yes.
And to judge the wicked. Sunona kila kitu ina revolve kwa ni nini?
Kwa 7.
Yeah, kwa 7. 7 means 7 times obedience, 7 times disobedience. So you can see, calculated move.
Yes.
7 means 7 churches in Revelation. 7 churches in a represent all over the world.
Okay.
Habigaroka gururuke the whole world. 7 means 7 miracles in the book of John. Iresha performiro ni Yeshua. The first one was turning water into wine. Hiyo inamaanisha the new earth, kila kitu inakuja kudhabio.
Rigi.
Kudhabio rigi. So na saa symbolic. Runuona haria tugiranyiteirwo.
We
Tonduru ko tutinamenya horo number 7 ino. Number 7 irario uhoro wa uthamaki wa thayo. Wow. Yeah.
We
ndio unio igirathire vizuri sana. Na ni magira succeedire. That is why we need to be awake.
Yes.
And we be alert.
Yeah.
Yeah. Na andu akabiru memenye nio mararehe muthamaki.
Ithuĩ.
Inyuĩ.
Gĩkũyũ.
Yes, tondu God has to use somebody. Na tondu augite ona buku yake augite erite David, I'll give you your son to sit on the throne. Now, hare habigarokera to be the son of David is because of Queen Sheba and Solomon. How no ru habigarokera. Now to sit on the throne of David.
Yeah.
Now at the moment the throne of David imekaliwa na Vatican. Sasa unaona sasa ndio maana kuna vita.
Maana kuna mvurutano.
Yes. Because now the throne of David imekaliwa na Vatican.
Vatican mameikarĩire atia?
The Roman Empire no macenjirie ritwa makita Vatican.
Oh.
Yeah.
Okay. So it's the same people.
Yeah, the same people, the same system. No ritwa macenjagia. So if you are not alert, utashikanisha wala hii ni kanitha. Kumbe kuna something behind it.
Kuna maundu mangĩ maratwarithia na mbere. Okay. Ndugeterere ciũria Karo.
Okay.
Nĩ ũratiriha? Jetererio thi na mbere kuga na nikuga like just flow.
Okay, and then another thing, people think that Yeshua, the Son of God, is the one who is coming. No. Adu mafatira kumenya between the Son of God, Yeshua, and the Messiah are two different people. Messiah is a man. No adu muga Messiah ni Jesu. Kende mwita Jesu ria maru mwitaga nagetha mamenye.
Messiah ni mundu.
Messiah ni mundu. Uciaritwo ni mutumia. But the Son of God is the Word of God. Na ru Messiah uyu wagirwo uguka as habingari. God will put him the Word of God. Now the Word of God niwe the Son of God.
Okay.
And you see now the habinga will be ruling with the sword of God. Na sword of God ni kanua gake. Na kanua gake ni tuona ni the Son of God. So Yeshua will be ruling behind the habinga. Hau ni hodo mataranyita.
Tata expound kidogo.
Okay. Gukoragwo people are confusing between the Son of God and the Messiah.
Yes.
Those are two different people.
Son of God na itheti Jesus Christ.
Jesus.
Eh.
Na Jesus nino aume ashoke with the Father after finishing his work on earth. Athira kira God, return me to my original form. His original form is the Word. Kiugo.
Ari okuo. And he was the Word.
I am. Yes. I am. Even before. He was the Word. But now the Word manifested in flesh.
Yes.
But Vilari Rudi, akireida mushokio into the Word. Na gaidere arauga rege ati ni amushokirie mundu. He's still the Word.
Okay.
Then when you go deeper, you see David Akiro, I will give your son the throne. The seat of your throne.
Yeah.
You see, now Jesus is not the son of David. Todo Jesus hakuzaliwa na egg ama seed.
Roho mutheru.
Roho mutheru. Okay, that is supernatural.
Yeah.
So hana haizi kuwa son of David. Nuranyita? Hau niho andu matanyita ona.
David yari mundu. No Jesus ni roho waigirire Mary. Mwikira ihu.
Yeah. So yes, ile lati wa mtu. But the Messiah, the son of David, is a human being.
Yeah, there is a son of David.
Yes.
A legitimate son of David,
yes.
Physical, eh? Lucio niwe Habiga. Oh. Nado Gafiro na David.
Gafiro na David haramo marokira ri. Queen Sheba na Solomon.
Solomon
makiria mwana Menelik the first. Menelik no ithe wa Gikuyu, Meru na Ebu. Na Gikuyu no wari first born, koguo no waheirwo kiria the Ark of the Covenant.
Okay. Hau niho turokira.
Hau niho Kabiru marokira.
Okay. Wow. Tucokie hari ututwarithagia mbere. Sorry ni ndako interrupt.
It's okay, no problem. Gumira goro wa the confusion ile iko. Todo people are really arguing and they are wasting a lot of time arguing. Kugati ni Jesu roka. Jesu argue. The day Jesu will come, the world will end.
Edire pew. Completely.
Todo he will be ata agushokari a man. He will turn into flesh. Na bado tutraigwa he's turning into flesh. Plus is only the cycle has ended. The Kali Yoga cycle, ya beast system ni adhira. Ni gutu the golden age, the messianic kingdom. Na hii ilitolewa kwa Bible. That's why people are getting lost.
Okay.
Todo ni arutirwo.
Oh, diriho.
Bible ira ehore ya 17th century hithitwo basement ya Vatican.
Yeah.
But now as we got through Revelation.
Oh, igoka through.
Yeah.
Kugurerio ni Ngai.
Then if you have to, because where odo ni Ngai ri, you have to go check kana kwena mundu ngi uraiguire. Ndugakorwo ndu rimwe hota kuria ngima uigue tari kwirorero. No nginya nawe uthiweke research na getha woneka kwi mundu ngi uiguite. Now the fourth generation ni marauga horo wa new earth. Todo this is how God works.
Yeah.
After the end of Kali Yoga, he has to raise the fourth generation, so that the fourth generation can take his people back, the parents back to God.
Uwe dito gushokia ciari.
Ni tuko mashokia.
Baje mundu kumenya ne fourth generation ne guoko.
Kuri we ti fourth generation ile ithuothe. Ado there is a set of people metako fourth generation na kuri another set of people metako the 144. Ari ari makurehera the fourth generation message. Niwo nao mamenye niwo mokeria yagi. The 144 niyo mena mark.
Mena ino X
kana M kana crescent moon.
Wow. Numundo akirore moko.
Wirore moko. Na ru maundu maya mothe ni mandikitwo in the original Bible, the Aramaic. Iko basement. But now the goodness of God alituambia kwa Revelation.
Yes.
Na tugithi tugeka research tugikora kwina andu angi moi, so it's true. Ndwarite ngimo kihuno kigwe indo ciaku.
Tondu nireka ati na andu angi monete the same.
Monete the same. At least it has to match.
Yeah.
We want to clear this confusion between adu kuga dinirathira. Dinirathira. Tondu kwaja athunguri matrida ku accept the king no me Africa. So now they are telling people the round is ending.
Ne mara push narrative ya thine guthire rathira.
Tondu he prophecy Yes, another pope in the 11th century, he went to see the pope that time. Etagwo Saint Malachi. When Saint Malachi akinyire haria Vatican, he had a vision. Na kiro assured all the popes from 11th century to up to now.
Amashore yothe.
Na madike maritwa. Na kikobuo. Na all those photos, she the basement. But those hizo ziko open, people can see. The Pope Francis alikuwa the 112th Pope. Now the 113th Pope hakuna jina na hakuna picha.
Iko hivyo. Okay. So tukichuguza wega in the spirit, hadiri supposed to go corona the 113th Pope. Ona corona hago corona akeri. When we do numerology, 113 ni 1 plus 1 plus 5 plus 3 inakuja 5. 5 gwedieta ina mean change. Yes. Oh.
Yeah. So ona corona makurogamia mudo aori. Mudo akakuhura kinhabinga na Trump. Makigeria Trump at side yao because Trump is supposed to work with the king.
Okay.
Yeah. That is why turamwira mwikare mwirada anything that will happen in Vatican mudo wothe etago mukafiro wikare wirada
tikere tukiruthagiria
na korwo wina TikTok channel kana YouTube make a video nigo you alert all of us.
Yeah. Ni maundu tamariko megwikania hi kuria Vatican
matire mara give up.
Marageria
tondu ni marageririe ku switch marare more. I'm so sure they will elect another pope which is not they are not supposed to.
Don't kuna pope mu Africa.
Do ni wo marenda mu Africa to mu Africa re ena the blood of the black Hebrews.
Oh.
Na getha hote kurwa na habinga.
Oh.
Nona.
Ugutira ithi ti undu munene tukoetwe na pope muiru.
Okay. The plan backfired. Chances ya ukora na pope muiru is very high.
Na ithu tugage riu ni twaririkano Africans.
Hakuna kuririkano hapo. Nika mutego.
Irio nika mutego.
Bakari ukuhura habinga.
We.
Nikyo turamwira mwikare mwi macho. Because this is the golden chance we have to rescue ourselves and to rescue the generations that will come.
Yeah.
Todo everything happens with the law of times and seasons. The stars, the heavenlies, they are supporting us because of the golden age. Rutogere merohaha kwisha. Nitwathira. Tugo thindika kinyaria tukakua na tucoke rege tukue rege tucoke hivyo tu
turisaikuraga the vicious cycle of nini
of the incarnation tutaimaliza tutashinanga hivyo. That is why we need to be smart.
Yeah.
And we outsmart this system. Ona hari movie direda ku recommendera muthikiriria itagwo The Matrix.
The Matrix.
Sunaijua The Matrix. Nio akirwo uria Matrix yo hete andu. Go look for that movie.
Karorega utufundithio horo wa reincarnation in details niki
reincarnation is a topic on its own. Nene
ate twana tutu turoka tugiri ni reincarnation turako twikite na handu ndacudire TikTok mundu apostete ukona andu magicomment ati kana gakwa karanjiria ati kanyonire angangika atia na akaririkana hena hindi ekite uguo.
Yeah, even my firstborn is my grandfather.
Ni wajiri no kije mwacokirie cucu wanyu
cucu wina miaka 2
kire ni orocio orocio no amakirie
ni cucu na miaka 2 no arasukuma
ndo aratindika
na ni twamu introduce the sound healing na getha kana cokerigi ni
kare kana oro
ni riu gaikara kana mobile yake wakigwa sound healing
maundu riu ri ni twarikio horo uri gutubangire
tutinariki tumako riu turenda ku differentiate Messiah
na Jesus
kukwira riu Saint Malaki negire vision ya utigakorwo na pope number 13 113.
Yeah,
but they will have to push it na mekira mundu muiru no mutigakenda ati mundu anyu arehwo ni habigoro kakuhurwo
no nginya hurwo na ni mundu muhana
ni mundu muhana tondu thakame ni nzito kuliko maji.
Yes.
So mkaerada mutikahenio.
Wow.
No kiona nikyo at least you differentiate between the Messiah and Jesus. Messiah is somebody who is usually anointed by the word of God
from the root of David.
Yes. Na ni mundu uranointwo aka ni anointidwo ni athuri. But the word of God cannot be anointed.
Yes.
Tondu niyo ina anointianga
ni era anointed.
Ni era anointed.
And Jesus is the word. So Messiah is the Habinga.
Messiah is the Habinga. And Messiah is a man like you.
Nditonete discussion nyingi muno. Na kuri andu mareta Habinga. Tukumenya Habinga ona kwina kihitahitaniro. Ndireragwo gigako kuria Rainbow. Kia Habinga othe.
Mareta.
Ndireragwo ate thinga memere.
Habinga adora mone tu Habinga is the spirit ray. We can spot him anytime.
You know, my question was Jesus ndiri okire ri. Did we need ate kuiga Jesus atano the tumenye uri riru ni uriku?
Oh, tu akozao.
Habinga ndafate kona riri wa Ngai. Ona ndafatara kwira andu ni Habinga.
Nigio na Habinga no ekaine physically ni athuri. Tondu akiri mamu itirie maguta.
We ni ro amuona?
Ni ndimuonete in a dream, in a vision.
Wow.
I can spot him. Kugo ona mathiere. Hakuna kitu atafanya, tutachukua fake.
Gutu ndo munene megwika. Okay.
You know the goodness of now, people can see in the spirit. Ujedi ogyokoheni adu.
Ndo mokirete. Nema.
Au ni at least tunanini.
Okay.
Turekatia. Tunapata bahati.
Nego.
Ugoda uko breakera rere 21 ino. 21 ino horo mwega. Nikyo at least mu understand. So that you can know what is going on behind the scene. Now, apart from 111, Uhoya 21 plus 4 plus 2025 inakuja 16. Nitwa break down. Alafu kiria tugira hora 7 churches. 7 churches is the whole world.
In Revelation.
Ure habigaroka. Na dakwira hora 7 miracles. Ni unura tura kuhubwa mere miero adu matire kuraga
zero araga.
Now you see everything is matching.
Yes.
Yeah, that is how bare da kura kareteo.
Okay.
Meyo ere kila kitu.
No ni marare miro
because people have a weekend.
Wow, thank God.
That is why now ona dora mari torori ni adu Kenyans. Na niyo mafataire gukira
Kenyans. Mario toro
ashuri makomete muno. Na Mario Kaliuga. Na ru uthamaki urambiriria kwanyu. We have to raise the vibration of this country.
They need to wake up.
Nigo at least only God needs only 8%. Totigiaga 8%.
8% tuko tukirete.
Ni tukota gukire kinya shoshori ya wigicagi. Na tugithie the new art dagatigwo. But ndakwira kuri andu magukoro mari very into kama. As you mati guthie kundu, they will have to take another bath. Tadu area muraganite ki kitawara.
They will have to first die
then they come back.
Ugo mundu muhia ni agukua.
Ucio jona ke no abirije gwika shadow yake tene. Ndagetete gukirio ne yangi. Iwe mwenyewe eyukirie.
Okay.
Ithe turokiria aria matari so deep in kama. But those people are so deep in kama acha tutigihota kumukiria. They will have to take another rebirth.
Mabe makwe mashoke.
The law of reincarnation. Then number 7 is also ruled by Neptune. Neptune rules spirituality. Alafu pia is also ruled by South Node of destiny. Kuni kuria turaumari Kaliuga. Nigo to bounce to our North Node. Our North Node is in the golden age.
Okay.
Plus the moon rules the law of times and seasons.
Mweri.
Na moons ni korago na 24 mansions. And after every 2 days and a half lazima moon iende to its mansions.
Okay.
Ira 21st mansion irare. Okay, these mansions tushitaga na Vedic language kana light language ija tu downloadaga message na shio.
Okay.
Irare hado hetago Uttara Sada Nakshatra. Iyo ni moon mansion.
Okay.
Moon mansion yenori. Ere haure inasema no ginya kugira kwire mundu kana kwiro kuri mundu wakua. That is why they had to say Pope Akwira hau.
Okay. Etwarane na mweri hari ori. Tondu riu ya twarana mweri hari ori ri. It will be very easy to switch the destiny. Nukio turamwira mukire because ogia kumenya maundu maya. Oku your destiny dagike mwe. Returaga we toro.
The worst part it is tura your destiny ya the whole world.
Yes.
Todo ti ado the aha kiria Akaliuga.
Asa.
adomwe okay ni athungu but they are not from that Kalioga ni andwega na mari side itu
kuri athungu ega by the way
kuri athungu ega by the way na maratuteia kuhunjia horo wa new earth riu nona ni ingirathire ya andu ingi muno na suffering aingi iwaisha
yes
that is why we are telling you mwahenirio astrology ni njuru na numerology na cosmology na mugitikia but these people the elites they go behind your back and use it
okay
magoka kumuya blessings so you need to remove that mentality na muthie mweke research niwe wigwe todo ona science ici Sagittarius Taurus ciaumire kuri andu akabiru nio macinimire
ici horoscopes
ni marito macio maumire kuri andu akabiru ria mari Egypt nio macinimire
okay
everything yaumire kuri andu iru
gacoka
ikagarũranio na makahitha
ũgatuĩkaga nĩo
macoka magoka makamwĩra is evil so that mentality nĩyo tũbataire gũcokia back to sender so that we can be able to prosper nĩ ũkamenya nĩ atĩa nĩ nini nakuja ũgakorwo ahead of your time tondũ ko tũtiramenyaga ũthamaki ndũrehanda rĩ ũngĩo tũrĩ otoro tũtĩrehaga tũhoyaga
wanjĩra
Ngai ndaratuteithia na nĩithuĩ
tũrĩ o gũkũ tũkĩmemerekia
ningĩ Ngai ugaga atĩrĩrĩ Ngai ateithagia mũndũ wĩteithĩtie you are a co-creator with God so start moving so that God can move ona korwo nĩ ũgũtake actions rĩ align your energies tondũ mũhiano we actions cikũgarũrũke
nĩguo
ũkarigwo nĩkĩ is because you have not aligned your energies
wow
nĩkĩo rĩmwe you attract ukahoya Ngai akohe muthuri mwega uga attract murebi uri kuhuraga muthenya do you ever ask yourself why is it because of your energy you don't love yourself because love comes from within
so energy iria ura vibrate ni ira affect ginya your partner
ina affect kila kitu yes because now you are vibrating low you will attract somebody who is vibrating low uri kuhuraga na wewe ujui
okay
that's why you need to go deep kabisa
yes
this hidden information why do you think they hid it because it's gold kama sio gold wangeficha haingekuwa Vatican uko chini wajira Vatican uko uthe ona igire everywhere gukwekerio ni huka
para okay wow
nikio turageria our best kumukiria kwanja mundu witagwo mukabiro mukire nagetha uthamaki uyu ndugatue kuyuo ndugatuhetuke tondu ni muona ona muthungu wao ni a professor in 1139 ati gutigo after Pope Francis the 112 Pope number 113 gutifatire gukorwo na Pope
muthungu wa professor
in 1139 ni muthungu wa professor etagwo Saint Malachi their own na kiuga if they will elect our 13th Pope it will be the end of the 7 hills of Vatican.
It will be the end of
the 7 hills of Vatican. Tondu riu uyu makurehe au gakuruha na Habinga and you can't fight with Habinga because Habinga amewekwa the word of God
inside him
ariaragia na sword now how this one will be a mere human being so unaona hata shinda that is why he's saying it will be the end of the 7 hills the Vatican
okay
muthikiririe wethe prophecy yo ya Saint Malachi in 1139
Saint Malachi 1139 no tariri na ndoragire muthikiriria Saint
Malachi of 1139 the year 1139 matiga kiuge twe jaba
1139 prophecy no egare mwetuka verify the prophecy of the popes also known as the prophecy of Saint Malachi is a sequence of cryptic phrases purportedly written by Saint Malachi in 1139 while he was in Rome. It supposedly outlines the lineage of future popes with the final pope, Peter the Roman, making the end of the world. While often considered a prophecy, its historical accuracy and reliability are widely debated. Ne mane handike
we aruga end of the world tondu ndari na reciria riu ria kumenya ni one cycle will end Kalioga will end we go to the new earth.
Of course there is an end if Kalioga is ending
but we ura vile may phrase nita Jesu agoka is the end of the world. Yeah. So even ndio wana nini athungu maramiuga. Plus amwe ni mowe the king is coming from Africa but they don't want to admit. So they will keep on telling you the end of the world.
Okay. Okay.
Kugo no ginya ona wathikiriria thungu ona uka uthikiriria ndoiru. Tondu nithio twina the true prophecy what will happen.
Yeah.
Plus there is a day I was talking to a Hopi man. Na akejuria Karo, where are you from? Gimwira I'm from Kenya. Which tribe? Gimwira Mugikuyu. No, akejira I know the Kikuyus. I am a Hopi. Ni what the Hopi, the Americans.
Okay.
Na akejira, do you know your people are the holders of the balance of the world? Yes.
Atutioi.
Imagine. Ona ni ho damenyeire.
Twagire kwemenyera ko niko tuoreire niko twatereire.
Ni information you know ya hitiro basement.
Maguka maitu ri matakiandikaga. You know this is
ni mandikaga. Ni information you know ri ni kuyoirwo. Ni mokoro nioka.
Igetwaro nako.
Ni mandikaga.
Okay.
Na nikio mahire Hopi, ni metire andu a Hopi, the Native Americans na andu a Vedic speaking. Na makimahe imwe.
Okay.
Mama hithire. Ni riu nikio toyo riu twacemanirie nake ara ndamwira ndi mugikuyu arambiririe kunjira your tribe are the holders of the balance of earth.
Okay.
Na nikio mkiria kirima. Nikio the Ark of the Covenant ekirima. Tondu indo cia ku balance earth ri ci hau thiini.
In the Ark.
Yes.
Okay.
Ni hau thiini.
Wow.
So you see, Kenyans we have a very, especially watu wa murima, tuna a very big role to play.
Tunaitamina na ria guthaka.
Na twathaka ni tugute chance ino. And this is a golden chance. Nikio tutafatire gukoma, we need to be truth seekers.
Yes.
Twemenye na tumenye ora tukwifanga niguo at least turehe uthamaki wa thayo. Tuhonokie thi ngima. Tondu already you can see the beasts are ahead of you.
Me acio marathakira mbere.
Marathakira muthako iguru.
Marathakira mbere.
Tufataire na ithu tuthakire wa iguru.
Tu andu aitu ri. Andu tano igwa ta horoscopes mugani hoi wa ngomari.
We will try our best to tukimukagiria because this is a golden chance we don't want to lose.
Yeah. King Happy go kari. Ndubi ugakoroko ugakoge kati. Your assignment, you know, you murarira mura make way for him. Jugi ogu. The way John the Baptist did for Jesus. You mura kinyo horo.
Wabugone jiraga ntugatumwa as ambassadors. Guthi mabũrũri mangĩ. But we will wait and see.
Wetwe Queen Habiga.
Dina kumwea. Niguo andu maranjiraga thumbi.
It is good to ask. Maybe it's you.
I am not the one. He's not married.
Ilegeta kuria Manase mtumia wa kingieko.
Kingiti ndahikanitie.
Ucio Habiga na kwa hikaneti.
No ni tukuhura uria Debe.
Esther.
Director.
Director.
Niguo tutwika in-laws a king.
Tutwika in-laws ya king. No amyaru maundu no magire.
Yes.
Ndahota kwirwo na nithamie studio.
To the State House to record huko.
Twekagire ku uhoro.
Kamera wa brother yeah, unaona. We have to wake up whether we like it or not. To the anointing ino is big. Na ndio iko nithi twina balance ya the earth. You see balance. Na gwira abiga roka ku balance earth. Igana ne othe.
So
but before he comes, we are the one to make that balance stand. Niguo okay.
Yeah, okay. So after that they preach. What should we expect?
Okay, we should expect the corrupt system to start falling. The corrupt officers to start falling. Hivyo tu pole pole.
The corrupt systems na corrupt governments na kire. In our day-to-day lives. Ni maundu mariko mekugwa. Kanitha ni gukorwo.
By the way, kanitha ni rahingwo. Nicikwambiria kugwa. By the way, Pope arathire na makanitha.
Kanitha iria cie mithingi ni miega kana ciothe?
Ciothe. Because now
si mithingi miega.
What is coming is called Christ consciousness. Christ consciousness. Christ arikaraga nawe haha. Hapa kwa hapa. Thiini witu.
Toginyaga mwethe manyumba.
Toginyoka mwethe manyumba. Plus niguo gwakwo temples in a specific places. Turithiaga ithuothe temple imwe tondu we want to be praying to one God, Yahuwah. Titariu ngai waku ngai wako. We want to only to pray to one God.
Kanitha cia andu ni iguthira.
Kanitha ni guthira.
Hello kurituha riu maundu maya.
Tigurituha. Ni wende gukwagira.
Nĩ ndakuria mundu wothe atiriri. Na nĩ njũrĩtio na batha wa igũrũ. Ndĩramuona nĩ akinyire. Nĩ ndakuria mundu wothe maũndũ mothe mangĩaga gũkinyanĩra tukamwĩka atĩ.
Ni mutikuhura ta Manase na Maira. Ni uragumwira atiriri. God is not a man to lie.
Yes.
God is not a man to change his mind. Ningere ndagitwira ithuothe undu umwe. We cannot all hear the same. Onokorwo twarite ngima tukahuna ri. Tutigiko turite ngima ithuothe tukaigua
ithuothe mukerwo undu umwe.
So onokorwo ni but haitafika December. This year is vibrating at number 9.
Yeah.
Na amesema hii mwaka. So it must happen. But if you could raise your vibrations at least tuko na 8%, even tomorrow the Habinga can manifest. Sisi ndio tunamdelay.
To reset vibrations.
To reset vibration. Na tukemenya we become truth seekers. Tate Bible ya ugire go look for other nini. Tatu the book of Mary Magdalene, the book of Thomas, Enoch, is of vitabu zilitolewa. How ni ho secret healing.
Okay.
Go look for them.
Yeah.
To do knowledge is power.
Na knowledge is power.
Yes.
And information is power. Yes.
It will free you from Kali Yoga.
Nego. And from all slavery.
Yes.
Wow.
Kwa the mental slavery ndio nyige.
Eyo niyo tuikarire muno.
Okay. Ndio twenda kumweheria. Muthikiriria witu wa Muhia TV ni parting shot ya gugutiga nayo ni ukire you become a truth seeker and you know thyself we menye so that you can be able to raise your frequencies. Nagetha by the time King Oke ukoro prepared daga gukore Kali Yoga adil na wena the sword akukore onoko we halfway at least start moving. Start moving. Akukore we halfway ni urageria onoko ndugukoro kinyite but move. Oguo twamwira Ngai ateithagia mundu witeithĩtie no na ni ureteithia ona kene guguteithia. Okay, so I hope you are together. And alafu another thing, mweherie mindset yo ati mwerirwo astrology, numerology, cosmology is evil. Go do your own research, because in this era of technology ignorance is a choice. Thiweke research yaku nigo ujiamulie, nigo akorwo ni ukuona ni guguteithia ri, start learning more about it, tondu ni guguteithia maundu maingi muno. Me in fact ko ndiamenyire horo wa astrology ri ni ndigirira hana Muhia igiathirire tene. Nidimuhetaga story kai myself and my mother-in-law uria twataranite, but I was able to reverse that using astrology. Kugo nawe ndigwenda ona wewe menye o reverse maundu macio maku moru, those negative things you are attracting, because everything is in your soul. Work with your soul so that you can change your life. Okay, daru gutigera haha na mundu ni thomaga birth chart. Mundu kwenda guthomero birth chart, you can take my number, then you WhatsApp me. Na mutikahuragire thimu tondu ndio ya thimu ngoragwo very busy, but write a message on my WhatsApp. As long as I'm free, nego reply. So akoro koi mundu renda guthomero birth chart, you can contact me. Plus also go to my YouTube channel, nithomithanĩtie horo wa kwĩmenya. Go read. It's free. Nagetha King agiukari tukorwo twi hamwe. Tutikwenda gutiga twina Muhia. Tondu ithuĩ na Muhia turathie 5D na King. Na next time yuka gakorwo kimeta.
Thank you. Thank you. Karo nyitira hanini ndona father iguru haria. Father ukambe twire kana ni wathikiriria ndeto cia Karo.
Wega biũ.
Na nginya
ndaigua ni amutwara Vatican.
Ni tutwara Vatican. Ogoro tutwarite muthenya wa iyo.
Na twira nginya uria mahinya maria meko underground.
Na riu Vatican no yaku ndirendo mikuwe. Tondu ndiragia. Kiongo giki ri. Ndiragia njira yakio.
Niguo ndingemetiga.
No muthuri gwitwo wa ruingi. Ni aritwira. Na ngwihoka atuona ni agumenya nigetha atwire atutaririo horo uyu riu ri. What have you gathered from kutwaria na Karo?
Bere ndaigua Karo ena uge muno uretwo astrology na atwira horo numerology
na njata
na bainyanya na bamugwanja na 21 na koguo o mundu ni ahetwo uge wake. Koguo that is so good, na nikio ndirakena ona hindi aranjirie ni aroka nigetha tugie na ihinda ria gwika atia ya gutaretanga umuthi no njuge ni ndathoma maundu maingi muno. Na kiria muno ndaigua ri ni agi connect mweri 21 ino irahetukire kiria kirahanikire na to prepare kiria kiroka. Aiga ni that first,
auga ni 30th
the end of the 31 is a month of suffering.
Yes.
Na hau niho ni ndra connect na rugano ruria rwa Israeli ate he hende ria kinyire ona Bible igite Ngai akigua kiriro kia andu na ekatea. So I want to confirm kwe mwiroreri ate nima maundu ma mothe turona mekikite ni magutuhaririria nigetha tumeru ukombo-ini tume suffering. Na one of the main major event ira happenire niyo ya mweri 21 ni twagwetete horo wa mweri 21 twina Manase na Manase ni akihoretwo muno no ni no njire mwiroreri atiriri kiria Manase areka na kana uria rauga na aria ngiri ni Ngai ni aramariria tondu Ngai ndacenjagia ndetukanagia na ndarega gwika urieka no ru thina meciria maitu ni mari othe koguo ringi tuhota gukorwo Ngai aratwira maundu manene no ithuĩ turamonera ugi na nikio ringi ithuĩ tukiona turecia no uhoro wa Kenya but nie no ngwire whatever is happening na ngwiciria Ngai ni athurite rũrĩrĩ rwa Gĩkũyũ ruhote kuga maundu maingi mathi na kuonania njata ya thi ngima na koguo no njuge ni ureka a lot of injustice as my brother kurehe maundu manene na ruga iraiguo no andu anini
nitugure ona kuu kungiri ona Gĩthũngũ no turiaria
muno ti Gĩthũngũ tondu ona Gĩthũngũ ti ruga itu no ni turahe hindi gakinya no njuge ringi nyambe ona njokie mata macio njuge kuga turaria Gĩkũyũ ri tuga ati uhoro ndungikinya thi yothe so ni gukorwo na uhoro wa translation na ni njuge ona he andu ingi marenda kwĩuria niki kurathi na mbere in the Kikuyu land koguo no njuge ruhoro ucio weritwo wa 21 ri andu magiciria ni uhoro wa thirikari ya Kenya Kwanza kana uhoro wa Ruto ri uhoro ucio wari munene beyond that na ni hakwa njuge atiriri no anyitanite na no ahutitie nginya our president na tondu onake ni ari andu acio meta astrologists andu acio ogia njata nacio mathomaga maundu koguo ni mathiite na makamwira umenye ti kwega the ici ingi uhoro wa njata na na Jesse Raigo koguo ri tabanga kaundu ambe umeke ume Kenya koguo it was not a coincidence ati muthenya ucio gikinya ri rutwarike jawa forori so it has a lot of connection to muthenya ucio ni hakwa na ndogi ndonete muthenya ucio he was supposed to hand over so hidio nigwe yagiru no gwikate ni ko happen no ru Ngai nake ni agibanga maundu aramba kura na kio kiundu kiu kira happen ugo Carol na ratwira ati onoko tutire sure kana popo akwira muthenya ucio ri no mwaka mangirekerire that day tondu ina significant na twanyitai so koguo ri ngikiugia atiriri uthamaki uyu ni uyihandite na tondu andu ingi ni moite ni maui na kwina thu nyingi nginya ciramenya maundu maya ri ni marageria kueheria na ku divert Haigua ku divert no ru ni twerwo wega muno gweci ni uguthikagiriria Karo ni auga atiriri ni tondu wa awakening ria ina young people ri na kina mena energy na ni marehariria na niguo twago no gukorwo tugika turi othe ri ni tukugitira na ni he andu njugaga taru he nyamu iratrendaga video irekiritwo ya ati ona gutuika ni marandikite kanyamu gatari kega ati Pope's wives no ugigathikiriria no ikarora ri he mundu uroka thino araficha akigeithio ni Pope almost maita matatu
na no
ugiroraga video kau mwiroreri agikoni kuonaga video kau no wikire ona kone ka link ni haroka mbica ya Uhuru akigeithio ni Pope ukarigwo na ndigwiciria uria wikite nyamu iyo ri ni Mukenya no ni ronania no irakionania mbica nyingi cia
watu magethega video
gethe na kuo ngona atiriri no gutuonia haratuonia ati hena connection ya riu uria kura happen thini wa thi na Kenya na uria turi igoro wa Habinga na ni njiguite na andu aingi makiuga Habinga might be a queen, might be a lady,
a queen Habinga
na kosa ndaiguire ciugo icio twi kuria kirima na mundu murata wakwa Caroline ria ni ariho na ona nikiona tureciria hota ukorwo niwe kana ni agutwi
ndenda Habinga ucio kana ihenya
urakigo kira ihenya ringi twira ke haha
okari ni akamenyaga ati ni aratheirwo guku ni agoka
niguo so ngakiuga atiriri no na riu uhoro wa connection ya riu uria kora happen thini wa thi na Kenya na njuge ona kaundu kange nginya mukui mondo arauga nginya umuthi ni atiriri ni gukoretwo tukigwa migumu ekegwa kuo nona na migumu kugwa ina sign ya Ngai na Ngai kuo nake mukui mondo aka connect migumu egwite na gikuo kiu gia pop nikio riu haratuika atiriri ni maundu mariku what is going to come ndaigua nginya Caroline nikio agikwira agikumakia ati nginya makanitha ni meguthira
niguo njira
it is not a surprise todo icio ni systems iria andu makoretwo magikatea magifuata
nicio iragwo
na ohoro wa makanitha religion nginya ohoro wa this colonialistic tugo on education system tugiru na anew ya andu eru ya ithu yenyewe ti andu eru ya andu airu ati turahota kuhuthira uge kuma kwi Ngai no aiga ohoro wa nginya ciana twana tunini twina ugi utaramenyeka no tutithiete thukuru ndi na my son na ena ugi ukirete yes araria maundu taru ndarika handu turari magai to tuthia nake mugunda he's not yet 4 years no turathira nake mugunda akaja daddy na nataka uninunulie lori kana ka mieri igana kia miaka igana
itatu lori
ko ndakoria te lori ya nini ya kubeba mchanga mchanga ya nini mchanga ya kujenga mwana tosi yole naito we urie so no ngikiuge ni ndakigweta hena a lot of connection na ndakwira horo ka video kau karona ni horo wa uhuru na koguo ri ona tukiugaga these young people ni mena energy na ni mekugitira uthamaki uyu ri ni no njuge muthuri ucio ena uigirereki nena role ya kugitira na kurehe uthamaki uyu koguo angihota gukinyurwa ko he mundu thikagiriria na ni maragia na mundu gwetwo Uhuru ri tani acarie andu aya acio oraigwa mahambika amethe ti mamwethe we amethe
ndaigua riu ri ni wagitukorera tu interview ni
niguo
ndakiugo geithia andu ndukimahe parting shot yo nayo
niguo mwiroreri ni njui ni uthomete maundu maingi kwina ugi muingi muno turathikiriria na ndagithomera ho na no wakigua ona ni mugambo ria ndongerera gu confirm ati mahinda ni makinyu uhoro wa uthamaki ori ni urambiriirie koguo maundu maria waiguire toigite kana maritio uhoro wa Easter wamenye ni kwambiriria ti thiru ni ndakwiraga ethia 50 years koguo within this year not 50 years 50 days koguo within these days we put our eyes open our ears nigetha tuone maundu ria marathi maki unfoldaga ni turakiona kuria maitho mothe me kuria Vatican tukione niki giguka ni twero ni Caroline ni ati ona prophet Marachi ni augite this might be the last pope koguo maundu ni maingi tuweke macho
yetu macho tu
yes
wow ndakena
ndakena muno
tucemanie next week
niguo
thengiu muno mwiroreri nigwendete muno na utoretweragwo ni Dr. Garoia kana emeno na ewe mene cicio cigure gutigana cio muthenya wa umuthi have a good night tucemanie muthenya wa rucio ni ndecokera kegutige na Pecheta Properties Limited
gwa kahinda karaya andu aitu mangiendire kugura migunda maguraga Kiambu, Machakos, Nakuru, Murang'a na kuria kungi. Undu ucio ni ucenjetie riu tondu kambuni ya Pecheta Properties ni yukite nega kurora we urenda kuigithia mwena wa gicua-ini. Broti iria ihutitie Indian Ocean mwena wa North Coast, broti ungiaka mucii wa guikara, hoteli, Airbnb ona kana weterere ukendia na thogora wa iguru makiria. Pecheta Properties riu makureheire Sultan Gardens Kikambala, kaunti-ini ya Kilifi, kilomita 2 tu kuma Mombasa Malindi Highway na kilomita 10 kuma tauni-ini ya Mtwapa. Ta imagine wena deposit ya ngiri 300,000 300,000 no wigwatire broti guku irigaine na estate ya Sultan Palace, Sun and Sand Hotel na mahoteli manene mena gatu. Broti ici irendio thogora mubashirire wa 3 million na andu 10 mbere kugura mekwenderio na 2.9 million. Hura thimu waranirie na Madam Phyllis kuhitokira 0725 342 987. Pecheta Properties, unlock the door to your dreamland.